In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Zoom mobile app. So if you're finding challenges with your app, maybe your app is not opening or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can clear all these errors and get your app running smoothly. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now, there are quite a number of methods you can use to be able to troubleshoot your app. Now, in the first method, we shall need to access the app information page and we shall be able to troubleshoot from there. To access the app information page, it is quite simple. Just go to settings and from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now, if you tap on apps, you will find this option called manage apps. For this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. So from here, tap on manage apps. It might be more apps or all apps on your smartphone. Go ahead and just tap on it. And then this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you find Zoom. Alternatively, you can find Zoom by just searching it here. So if you search here, you can see your Zoom app is here. And now as you can see, we have access to the app information page, and this is where we shall do our troubleshooting. However, if you're finding a challenge to get to this page, let me show you a shortcut method that you can use to get to this page. For that, just go back and then look for your app, and here it is. But this time around, instead of tapping on it, just go ahead and long press on it. Now you can see here we have this option called app info. So if you tap on app info, it will again open the same page called app info. From this, we want to go ahead and clear the app data, and to do so, we shall go to storage. And if I open storage, you can see we have a lot of cache data and user data. Now, one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because of the accumulation of cache data. Now, when you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that your app normally stores or keeps to enhance user experience. Now, the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction in most cases. So all you need to do is to go ahead and clear this cache data. To clear cache data, just head down here and then you'll see clear data and tap on clear cache here. And okay, from here you can see the cache data has been removed from your app. Now restart your smartphone and then try opening your app, and it should be working fine from this point. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then let me show you another way you can do it. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then take the next step, and for the next step we need to clear all data, that is the user data. And we can do this by tapping on clear all data here. So if you tap on this, you can go ahead and clear all data, and this will go ahead and erase the app data. So here you'll have to log in afresh to be able to use your app. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then proceed to the third and the last method to be able to solve all your app problem. For this, you need to go ahead and look for your app through Google Play Store if you are on Android and App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for my app through Google Play Store and search for it. Now you can see it is here. Once you find it, go ahead and look for any update if it is available. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you have been using an outdated version of Zoom app, and this might be containing bugs as well as security issues. So to fix this, all you need to do is to go ahead and tap on update if you have it here, and then this will go ahead and update your app to the latest version and install it on your smartphone. Now you'll have the latest version of Zoom app. From here, you can now open it and start using the latest version of Zoom app that comes with the latest features. So by using any of these three methods, you should be able now to have your app running smoothly without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.